How to convert image to PDF on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to convert image to PDF on Android phone, simply first of all launch any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome. Now as you tap on Google Chrome, tap on the search bar over here, and as you tap on the search bar, just search for the option of image to PDF converter. As you do that, it will give you various options over here. You can select whichever option is more comfortable for you. I'm going to select on this very first one, and all you have to do is just select the images by tapping on the select JPG images. So tap on it and it will just browse the different pictures over here. I'm going to select on this and then tap on done, and then here you can see the option of convert to PDF. So just tap on convert to PDF over here, and here you can just download the PDF. Now as you download the PDF, you'll just be able to tap and open the PDF over here, and you can view that the image has been converted to PDF on your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.